and I just want to show you cute little babies. These are some little green cheek Conures. These guys are sold, but there are more available that will be coming shortly. If you're interested in those, give us a call. And we have some little Cockatoos. These are little Corellas, also known as bear-eyed Cockatoos. And we have some little Cockatoos. These are little Corellas, also known as bear-eyed Cockatoos. One of the smaller, more animated Cockatoos. There's lots of cute little YouTube videos. If you type in either little Corella or bear-eyed, you'll see all kinds of cute stuff. These guys like to dance, and they're very entertaining when they get older. Then we have some little white-bellied Caiques. They are just getting their feathers. They're about 4 weeks old. You can tell they're going to look like. They're going to be so gorgeous when they get older. Alrighty. We're going to come out of the baby room. Here's John talking on the phone. And we have a little half moon that's about to go. We have a Alexandria that's weaning. And we still have 2 little blue that left. Let me get a good picture of that. Hey little guys! And we have some Mustache, Parakeets, and 1 friend Conure. If you're interested in these little babies, please give us a call at 972-492-0841. We are also taking deposits on other babies that are coming. And we will also have a price list on our website. For some reason, it's only working on a computer, so it's work on the mail upload. But again, you could call us for more information. Thank you.